So today my project is artificial satellite. So my name is Zira Chaudhary from 8F3. This is my friend Anuj Bishnoi from 8F3. Today we are explaining about artificial satellite importance and uses. What is satellite? Satellite is a device where we'll send it to the space and will send to the earth or any other planets for a particular information. So satellites were made by the human. So this first artificial satellite was made by the our Indian great scholar named as Arya Bhatta. Because of this invention, world is getting many benefits. So India has launched many satellites like IRS, Kalpana 1, etc. My friend Anuj Bishnoy will explain about the uses of satellite.
So this satellite this sends the rays to the local towers, and this local towers send the rays networks to the computers, TVs, and the mobile phones. By by the satellites we can know the weather, and we can communicate to each other very easily. As we have the satellite, we can know where and what is happening anywhere. Thank you.
ఎంత అమౌంట్ పట్టింది ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ డిజైన్?
Two.
Total cost is just 500.
ఎంత టైం పట్టింది?
We needed only 3 days to make this project.